There's one. All right, look. Here I go sneezing. Come on. I know I gotta do it again here in a minute. There's two. Three. Four. Oh, here we go. Five. Six. Oh, sucks. Seven. Oh. Eight. Yeah, I can still feel it coming on here. Nine. Wow. 10. Okay. There's 10 there. Ugh. It may still come. I mean, $11. Sneezing excessively here. $12. It's not a hachoo, hachoo, hachoo kind of thing, okay? It's just, it's more of a, you know, just doing this, but let me keep my puffs right here next to me here. I'll blow my nose real quick. You know, it's in between 10 and 15 every time, people, okay? Like I said last video, I got, you know, down there, up here too. I think I'm done for now. I mean, if you guys like this, let me know. I mean, I want to know what makes you happy, okay? Entertaining and whatnot. But that's my 13 or some odd 12 sneezes right there, all right? See!